not babies. Okay, we are here. And these slaves, they are surrounded by, you will see inputs and the output. I want you to observe something. As I do this, look at this card. If I'm doing this, do you see anything? Okay. Then if I do this, do you see anything? Those are the input. Those are input. And the same applies to this one. If I do this, do you see anything?
It senses.
Okay, it senses. Another thing. I want someone to be there and see something. If I do this, do you see any changes there?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes. This.
Okay. That means whatever that is happening there, they are in the control room. They are seeing what is happening. Okay?
Ah.
Okay. That's what is going on. Now, this cable, this purple cable,
It is on.
we call it a profibus. The profibus is always purple. The profinet is green. Profinet is green. This cable is called a profibus.
Yeah.
Okay? If it is green, it is a profinet. The profinet they use the TCP IPs. Okay. Is there any other thing I didn't talk about? Are you guys able to see where the input and the output are? Let me show you. You are having a digital input this side. These are digital inputs. Are there 16? Yeah. These are digital input, these are digital output. So, like here, I'm having like two inputs. Magazine is having pieces. The same apply to this. If I put a component, it is able to detect that it is there. Okay? And this signal will be also there. You'll be able to see that things are changing. Yeah, can you give me some more pieces? Make another turn and then if there are questions, ask them. Timing will be a problem.
Timing.
Timing, yes. Timing. This one is like.
I got camera.
Leave it, you will see what it does. If it is not detecting this,
Yes.
there it will not continue. It will just stop there because this one is not on.
Ah.
Okay? So there is a lot of sensors. There are a lot of sensors.